What's going on, everybody? So I got the, as you can tell, like I've said in other videos, these are like two different colors. Same color, but you can clearly tell that it's not the same finish, I guess. Which is kind of annoying because I can tell every time I walk by I see it. So anyways, that there, and as you can tell, I've got the rest of it on. All right. Here is my little spoiler, which also is different. See, because you can tell the hood or the roof I did. Right, I did the roof. Different color. Now, you can tell right here, I fucked it up when I put it on. Didn't do it right. Right, all through here. Well, after talking with Vvivid and warranty on this finish, since it's two different finishes, I've got some replacement in. So now that I've got the replacement in, I will be ripping it off and making a video of that as well. So please be sure to subscribe if you're not. Leave a comment, leave a like. This will be quite cool because this has really been bugging the hell out of me. I really don't like those wrinkles. See, you can see it there. But it was like the third piece I did and I wasn't sure. But I have a fix for it. Real pretty color. We'll see how it turns out when it's done. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.